English-Bosnian future tense. I will have.
Ja ću imati.
Welcome to your future, have. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies to boost your Bosnian. Ready to have fun with the future? Today we make, will have, easy and memorable, from, I will have.
Ja ću imati.
To, they will have.
Oni će imati.
Buckle up, breathe in confidence, breathe out confusion. Let's go. Your goal today. You'll master 8 core forms of, will have, in Bosnian, clear, quick, and ready for real life. I will have.
Ja ću imati.
You, singular, will have.
Imat ćeš.
He will have.
On će imati.
She will have.
Ona će imati.
It will have.
Imat će.
We will have.
Imat ćemo.
You, plural, will have.
Vi ćete imati.
They will have.
Oni će imati.
Forms at a glance, repeat after me. Say it out loud, your mouth is your best memory tool. I'll speak, you echo. Me.
Ja ću imati.
You. Me.
Imat ćeš.
You. Me.
On će imati.
You. Me.
Ona će imati.
You. Me.
Imat će.
You. Me.
Imat ćemo.
You. Me.
Vi ćete imati.
You. Me.
Oni će imati.
You. Mini dialogue, the planner's prophecy. Listen to this short, funny scene and catch every future form. Then we'll recap. A. Tomorrow, I will be ready.
Ja ću imati.
Svi sto treba. B. Super. And you, study buddy?
Imat ćeš.
Dovoljno vremena, samo kreni danas. C. Don't worry about Marco.
On će imati.
Sastanak tak u pet. D. And Anna?
Ona će imati.
Izviestaj du podni. A. Our app?
Imat će.
Novu funkciju pozlija zuraranja. B. Team, breathe.
Imat ćemo.
Svi materiale du sutra. C. Addressing the group, dragi gosti.
Vi ćete imati.
Ulazni sim stignet. D. A nasi prijitalji?
Oni će imati.
Dovoljno vremena da dodu na concert. Rhythm drill. Tap, say, own it. Clap on each word and feel the rhythm of Bosnian future. Ready? Clap, clap.
Ja ću imati.
Ticket for tomorrow. Clap, clap.
Imat ćeš.
More time after lunch. Clap, clap.
On će imati.
A call at 5. Clap, clap.
Ona će imati.
The report ready. Clap, clap.
Imat će.
A new feature soon. Clap, clap.
Imat ćemo.
Pizza if we finish early. Clap, clap.
Vi ćete imati.
All the info by Friday. Clap, clap.
Oni će imati.
Seats in the front row. Culture tip. Coffee-powered promises. In Bosnia, coffee time is sacred. Bring your future tense to the cafe. Picture this. You and friends in Sarajevo. You grin and say, no stress.
Imat ćemo.
Kafu u devet. The barista nods. Naravno.
Vi ćete imati.
Rezervizan santo. One friend laughs. Ako zavrsim nav regime.
Imat ćeš.
I kolik. You wink. A ja?
Ja ću imati.
Najbolju prisu pozlij. Lightning quiz. Answer in Bosnian. I'll give you a moment, then the solution. Q1. Say, it will have. A.
Imat će.
Q2. Say, you, plural, will have. A.
Vi ćete imati.
Q3. Say, they will have. A.
Oni će imati.
Q4. Say, she will have. A.
Ona će imati.
Q5. Say, he will have. A.
On će imati.
Q6. Say, you, singular, will have. A.
Imat ćeš.
Q7. Say, we will have. A.
Imat ćemo.
Q8. Say, I will have. A.
Ja ću imati.
Challenge. Future tense freestyle. Make 3 short promises using different persons, keep it playful. Example 1. By noon.
Imat ćemo.
Pizu. Example 2. Study today and.
Imat ćeš.
Slobodno vetca. Example 3. If the update works.
Imat će.
Bolju bateriju. Your turn. One line with.
Vi ćete imati.
One with.
Oni će imati.
And one with.
Ja ću imati.
Go. Wrap up and high five. You crushed it. Quick recap and next steps. Today you mastered the future of have in Bosnian.
Ja ću imati. Imat ćeš. On će imati. Ona će imati. Imat će. Imat ćemo. Vi ćete imati. Oni će imati.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, subscribe for more, and grab extra exercises and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Vidimo se.